Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about how to make diagonal line facade on the commercial building. First of all, we have to make the basic shape with using rotate rectangle. We can click from this origin, and then we can set the depth of this building around 15 meter, and the length of this building around 30 meter, and enter. Okay, then we can push it up around 1 meter, enter, and triple click, right click and make group, and also make component, create, and then we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Then we can move it up around 3.6 meter and enter. Okay, then we can duplicate it again until this position, or maybe we can just duplicate this one to this position. Okay, now we can throw the glazing in here with using rectangle. Click from this position until this position, and then we can triple click off this plane and offset it inside around 1 meter and enter. Then we can click the surface, right click and erase. Then we can triple click and we can triple click, right click and erase. Okay, then we can click this surface and we can push it down until this position. Okay, then we can triple click, right click and make group, and then we can triple click again and click this surface and erase. Click this surface and erase. Okay, then we can click this line. We can click this line, and then we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 25 slash and enter. Okay, then we can click this one. We can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Sorry, we can click this one. We can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 12 slash and enter. Okay, and then we can select the glazing. We can select the glazing with using glass materials, this one, and then we can select the another facade. We can set the another facade diagonal with using the rectangle. Click from this position until this position. Okay, and okay, maybe we can enlarge this facade building, or we can make it this one. We can set it larger. Okay, just like this, and we can set. Okay, we can click this line. We can click the line and click to this position approximately. Okay, then we can draw the line in here. Then we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and we can click this one and select move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Okay, then now we can draw the line again in here. Okay, then we can click this line, select move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and we can erase some unnecessary line. Then we can click the surface and erase. Okay, then we can push it to the front around 500 millimeter, enter, and then we can triple click, make group. Okay, and then we have to push it to the front and triple click and make group. Then we can select a move and move to this position. Okay, now we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Maybe we can slice this facade. We can offset it until the limit, and also this one we can slice this one. Okay, then we can make the another variation. We can make the entrance area with using rectangle in here, and we can push it until the limit. And now we can use this one to make a canopy on the entrance. Then we have to push it to the front in here. Double click and make group. Okay, now we can make the another ground in here, and triple click and make group. Okay, now we can draw the little column in here for the structural system of this entrance can place to this position and place to this another position anyway. Okay, now you can improve for the staircase in here with using your own version. Okay, yeah, you can push it to the another position. Okay, just like this. It is for example, so you can improve by yourself. You can improve with the correct calculation about the stair. Okay, and then you can assign with the another colors. You can assign with the orange materials in here, like this, and okay, you can also assign with this color, and you can select the gray color in here to make it more representative. Okay, then we can select this line to represent that this is aluminum composite panel. We can click until this position, and then we can type 30 slash and enter. Okay, now we can delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay, then we can set the another landscape in here. We can set the another landscape in here. Triple click. Okay, we can using the freehand tool to make the landscape elements over there. Okay. Okay, now we can assign with the grazing materials, and then we can assign with the asphalt materials in here, and also we can change the level of darkness. Okay, and again we can click this line, select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type / and enter. And also we can assign, we can setting for the stair element in here. Okay, and then we can also change the concrete to this position, and also to this position, and we can change the concrete in here. Okay, and then we can make the another landscaping element in here with using green grass material over there. And don't forget to add the component, to add the 3 materials in this position, and assign the materials with using green glass materials over there. You can select move, press Ctrl and place to this another position. Okay, I mean it was done, and then we can set the shadow, and we can also change the orientation about the shadow over there, and we can also change the style with using white background in here. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.